In this video, we'll be taking a closer look at the Fiido X electric bike. We'll discuss its design, performance, and overall value, making it easier for you to decide if this bike is the perfect choice for your daily commute. The Fiido X features a lightweight aluminum alloy frame, which makes it both sturdy and easy to maneuver. Its compact size is perfect for navigating through city streets and crowded areas. The adjustable seat and handlebars ensure a comfortable ride for riders of all sizes. When it comes to performance, the Fiido X is a force to be reckoned with. It has a top speed of 20 miles per hour and can tackle steep inclines with ease, making it an ideal choice for commuters who need to get to work quickly and efficiently. The bike is equipped with a powerful 250W motor and a 36V lithium-ion battery that can provide up to 50 miles of range on a single charge. Safety is a top priority for the Fiido X. It comes with front and rear lights, a horn, and disc brakes, ensuring that riders can stay safe and visible on the road. The Fiido X is a product of Fiido, a Chinese brand that specializes in producing electric bicycles. Founded in 2016, Fiido has gained popularity due to its innovative designs and affordable prices. One of the standout features of the Fiido X is its LCD display, which provides real-time information such as speed, distance, and battery level. The bike also comes with a range of safety features, including front and rear lights, a horn, and a disc brake system, ensuring that riders can stay safe and visible on the road. The Fiido X is designed with a focus on durability, portability, and style. Its aluminum alloy frame ensures a long-lasting performance, while its lightweight design and foldability make it easy to transport and store. The bike's sleek and modern design is sure to turn heads on the street, and its adjustable seat and handlebars make it a comfortable ride for people of all sizes. In terms of value, the Fiido X is a great option for those looking for an affordable yet high-quality electric bike. With its powerful motor, long-lasting battery, and range of safety features, it offers excellent value for money. Additionally, the bike comes with a 1-year warranty, giving riders peace of mind knowing that they are covered in case of any defects or issues. In conclusion, the Fiido X electric bike is an excellent choice for those looking for a reliable and stylish mode of transportation for their daily commute. Its combination of power, range, and safety features make it a top contender in the electric bike market, while its affordable price point and focus on durability and portability make it a great investment for any urban commuter. So, if you're in the market for an electric bike that offers both quality and value, the Fiido X might just be the perfect fit for you.